Alright, here's another question before us. A note of frequency, underline that, 200 hertz, has a velocity of 400 meters per second. Calculate the wavelength, triune component, frequency, velocity, wavelength. So solution. Given datas include our frequency to be 200 hertz. So we're going to write F is equal to 200 hertz. I hear F is equal to 200 hertz. Then we're given velocity to be 400 meters per second. So our V is equal to 400 meters per second. Then we're asked to calculate for the wavelength. So our lambda, which is the same thing as wavelength, is unknown. Solution now, as we continue using the formula V is equal to F lambda. Are you here? Then lambda will equal V, okay, V over F if you divide through by F. I hope you are following. So let's substitute this now. Our V is 400, so 400 divided by our F is 200. So we'll write 200 so that you now have 4 by 2 will give you 2. So our final answer becomes 2 meters. I hear 2 meters becomes our final answer. Connect to our social media handles at Physicsbible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.